Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Canada is to live. We'll explore the key aspects that make Canada a unique place to call home, from its stunning natural beauty to its inclusive society. Understanding these elements will help you decide if Canada aligns with your lifestyle and goals. We'll cover everything from daily life to the broader cultural experience, giving you a comprehensive overview. When considering a move, the cost of living is a major factor. Housing, especially in popular urban centers, can be a significant expense, often requiring careful budgeting. However, other daily costs like groceries and utilities are manageable. Public transport systems in cities are excellent, offering an affordable alternative to owning a car. Understanding these expenses helps in financial planning. Canada is renowned for its high quality of life and vibrant multiculturalism. You'll find a welcoming environment with diverse communities and a strong emphasis on social harmony. The education system is top tier, providing excellent opportunities for all ages. Plus, with vast natural spaces, there are endless possibilities for outdoor adventures, whether you enjoy hiking, skiing, or simply exploring nature. While Canada offers many benefits, there are also challenges to consider. The winters, particularly in many regions, can be quite severe, requiring adaptation to colder temperatures. Additionally, successfully navigating the immigration process and finding suitable employment demands careful planning and persistence. But with preparation, these challenges are manageable. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.